my open source Chrome autonomous AI. The previous video I didn't do too well on like YouTube and stuff, so this might be the last one that I do. I just want to get it to a state where it's actually doing something before I start working on it. But yeah, so I think I might start with making a read meeting. Chrome extension that performs, I think I can make this bigger. That performs web browsing actions autonomously to complete a given goal task using GPT-4 as a brain. Installing, developing, packing. Let's make another thing called structure. So we have popup.jsx, which is, how do you make a sub dot point? Maybe like that. I actually have a, how do I get the markup? Here we go. Test. Okay, not like that. Oh, like this. Okay. Pop-up contains the pop-up shown when the extension is clicked. Yo, friggin' all my homies hate JavaScript, dude. They some haters. What are your homies like? What they reppin'? Python? They some lame homies. You need to find yourself some new JavaScript homies, dude. And then we got content script. This one, this should execute DOM actions. Then we got background JS, which this should hold the execution plan and history. How do I spell execution? Like that. Okay, so that's kind of the structure I want to go with. But we've only done kind of this. We haven't touched background JS at all. Yo, Nebulous, thank you for the rose. We like Go. Okay, that's pretty sophisticated. I'll respect that. Go is cool. So we're gonna pretty much start with building out background JS today. Yeah. So. Wait, let's see. Let me commit this. And let's open up background JS. It's actually called index.js in the background folder. That's fine. I also want to abstract out all of my OpenAI calls into a helper file. Wergon says, are you using Copilot for VS Code? It's pretty good actually. No, actually I don't pay for Copilot. Yo, Latterly, what's up? I use Continue, which I think is like an open source version of Copilot. Just because I'm cheap and I don't want to spend the $9 a month or whatever it is for real Copilot. But yeah, I'm sure real Copilot could be better than this. But yeah, I use this extension called Continue.dev. Thanks for the question. Okay, so in our content script here we have a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, so this send prompt to OpenAI. Actually, we don't even use that anymore. We have this send prompt to Planner. Yo, Mike, I'm definitely gonna rewatch. Oh, sweet, thank you. Yeah, like my previous video compared to, I'll show you guys quickly here. This series doesn't seem to be doing too well. Like my last building this open web browsing AI agent only got like 200 views. Oh, actually that's not too bad. But like, yeah, all my, like, I normally do these AI tools views and they seem to get a bit more. Oh, maybe I'm exaggerating actually now in retrospect. Maybe this isn't too bad of a thing. I definitely will really, I think once I get the end product of this open source AI agent working, it will be really like rewarding. I reckon people will really enjoy it. But we still have a bunch of work to do to get to that level, so let's do that. A lot of coding to do. I don't think we use this run flow either. I'm just gonna clean up a whole bunch of shit I have here. Whoa, I got a big message here from Frustrated Moscow. Hello, sorry for bothering you. I want to offer promotion for your channel. This looks like a bot content. The price is lower. Yeah, that seems a bit spammy. Yo, G3 Love. Hello, I'm doing very well. Thank you for the comment. Where you going says, company pays for my JetBrains and Copilot. Oh, excellent. For sure. That's good. If someone paid for my Copilot, I'd probably use Copilot as well. So I think I'm going to try and make a util file here. In SIC, I'll just go utils.js. Oh, I have an issue with my thing here, so we'll just do it like this. src new file, maybe helpers.js. We'll open that up and let's just hold on before we do that. Let's just see if this still works as it did where we left off. G3 Love says Copilot is awesome. My friend has Students Pack, which offers free GitHub Copilot. Yeah, my cousin also gets it for free because they're a student. But unfortunately, I'm not a student, so I don't get it for free. Okay, let's open up Chrome. And enable Clickolas cage. Let's go. Let's see if it still runs. No, we have some issues this time. Any errors in the log? Oh, it didn't even run. Why not? Node is incompatible. Oh, I've got to change node versions. Mike says definitely keep going. What will be accomplished in just a year? Yeah, especially if other people, I'd be so happy if other people pick up this project and build it. Like, that's the power of open source. It's like the community you could potentially get behind a project. That would be awesome. G3 Love says, I joined right now. What are you working on? I'll show you. So if you guys have seen my video, actually let's do Hyperwrite. So I was inspired by this extension here. You might have seen my video on this. It was like one of my recent videos, like third last video or something. Let me turn this off for a sec. And pretty much what it does is it automates Google Chrome for you, which is super cool. And I spent the other day asking GPT-4 about some use cases for these autonomous agents, and I made a whole list of different use cases that I want to test out. Let's have a look at some. So here's one: compile tech news from multiple sources. I want to see if it can do this. So, we'll go to the personal assistant. And here you just type any text prompt and this Chrome extension automates the browser. So it clicks buttons, it enters text, does everything you could do through Chrome to achieve your task. So I want to say like find all tech new AI news released in the last week if the topic is unique, and add them to a Google spreadsheet. If oh, we're going, you're off, see you later. Thanks for commenting, I appreciate you. If the topic is unique, wait, add them to a Google spreadsheet if the topic is unique. So yeah, so this, I don't know, I haven't specifically told it. Oh, these buttons are new: search, scholar, and browsing. I haven't specifically told it where to search, but I guess it'll probably just use Google by default. Let's see what happens. Okay, so this isn't automating the browser yet. But now it might be. So it says, let's add these to a Google spreadsheet. Could you provide a link? Okay, let's make a new spreadsheet. Actually, I think I can just give it this link. Let's see what happens. Here we go. See, now it's actually doing this automation here. You can see it's saying navigate to the Google Sheet site. Here we go, it's navigated to the Google Sheet. And actually, it might be better in this view, I'm not sure. And then it's just going to add these rows to the sheet. Dan says it needs to rule out spam/bad actors, otherwise there'll be tons of viruses spread. Yeah, that is the big concern for these AI tools. Hey, it's like, how do we stop bad actors from using them? And honestly, I don't have a good answer to that. It's like an arms race, right? Like, we need other tools detecting these bad actions and preventing them or something. I don't know, that's just a thought. Apparently it's awaiting user action. What's the question here? Please add the following AI news. Oh, it's getting me to add it myself. Please add them yourself. Okay, so this, as an AI, I'm unable to interact with Google Sheets directly. Oh, okay, so this can't add to Google Sheets. Apparently, that's a bit sucky. That's really sucky. I thought it would be able to. So my friend actually recommended this other tool that I've been using called Cheat Layer, which can do this. But yeah, site link. That was hyperwriteai.com. hyperwriteai.com. Oh, and it's the personal assistant. They have other tools, but the thing that I used was personal assistant. Clouds in Oakland, what's up? So is ChatGPT making anyone else find cheese for human verification for every input? No, but I do pay, so I don't know if that's a new thing. That sounds crazy. For every input, they're making you do a captcha. Anyway, let's get back to the development here. So I made this helpers.js file, and I pretty much want to copy this OpenAI code in here. Okay. So pretty much I just copy and pasted it straight from the content script. And now I'm going to try and import it. Oh, first I have to export it. maybe like this, export const. I think that's all we need. Now can we go import, send prompts to planner from helpers, excellent. And cool, so on a message this should be sent. I'm just gonna return here so it doesn't actually send it, so we can just test it out for now. Let's have a look. Jake says they're so bad at capturing they might not be human. Okay, so oh, there we go. So I'm just gonna write test and see if we can get that console output we're expecting. No, we cannot. Does it even come in the content script? Let's have a look. No. Some issue in the pop-up when the button is clicked. Let's have a console log here. Hello. Cataclysm says Microsoft released a semantic kernel. It's like MemGPT and AutoGen combined. Wait, what? Let me have a Google. Microsoft semantic kernel. Joel says, what extensions do you use on VSC? Jake says, I think he uses Cursor. I don't use Cursor on Windows anymore because I had problems with Vim. So I'm just using Continue as my co-pilot, but I barely use it. Only sometimes. What's this? Orchestrate your AI with semantic kernel. This was released in July. It's an SDK that integrates LLMs with conventional programming languages with plugins. Orchestrate plugins. You can ask an LLM to generate a plan that achieves user's goal. Okay. I haven't seen much about this. Should we watch a YouTube video? Hopefully someone's got a YouTube video on it. Microsoft semantic kernel. Damn. It's quite old, 5 months ago. Oh, it's Andrew NG. Oh, the World of AI did a video on it yesterday.
In recent weeks, we have seen a huge development in the world of AI where companies and developers are putting a huge emphasis on AI agents. In recent weeks, we have seen English so that it can assist whether it's docs, Word docs, PDFs, chats, meetings, videos, emails, presentations, and such forward. It is then sent to the system pipeline, which
doesn't look like anyone's actually built anything with it though. Oh, here?
What you can actually do is where they got answers via web service, where they ask the question, any news from NASA about Orion, and it gives this relevant answer. And we can see over here, it provides the sources and the citations, which is something that we talked about in the pipeline. If you want to work, use kernel memory, your serverless mode, you can run it in documents within your own. How you can run this and set this up with the following service. This is the document
like
access. You can have the kernel, resources, and a lot of impact in various.
Okay, that's cool. Actually, I haven't even used MemGPT. Cyram asks, how about accessing old websites? It's easier to web scrape them. Yeah, definitely would be easier because all these new websites have like capture and stuff, but a lot of these old websites probably won't. Oh, I think it's because I'm not inspecting the right thing here. Oh, okay, cool. So we're getting the first hello, and then there's a WebSocket issue. Why is that? Not sure. Not sure. Huh. It's having an issue getting into the content script for some reason. And we don't even get a content script is running. I wonder if that's an issue that I made introduced recently. So let's have a look at the changes I've made and we can stash them to test out the difference. So I removed this background stuff, changed that content script and added helper. All right, let's stash all these changes and reload the extension. Do we still get this issue? Yes. What the frick? Maybe we need to build it again. I don't know. I don't know what happened. Sairam says apparently all Japanese websites are like the old internet still. Cataclysm says they put up a tutorial for autogen with MGPT. MGPT working with local LLMs. Yeah, I saw that. That was it was one of the mats, I'm pretty sure. Your community is growing day to day, Adnan says. Yes, so good. I'm so happy about that. Let's keep it growing. Keep it growing. All right, let's refresh this. Why are you broken, Clickolas Cage? What? I'm not sure why this is suddenly not working. Maybe I gotta load it again. Let's remove it and re-add it. Okay, let's have a look. Same. It's saying something about a WebSocket. Beat client. Where was the, does this have a load unpack, Clickolas Cage build? I did that. I don't know why the content script is, maybe I gotta run it in here. Actually, that's a good point. Let's see. Oh, still getting that. What the hell? I'm so confused. Oh, actually. Oh, oh, my bad. I'm looking in the wrong logs. Okay, so it is working. It is working. What if I re-add the stash? Gonna pin this, unpin this. Yep, okay, it is working. Okay, great. Great. Okay, one other thing I wanted to do, actually let's commit this. Helper function. Okay, one other thing I wanted to do is we were manually adding this DOM here, this div, test div, like so. But I think before I wanted to find out how to do it with React, and I think we can just copy like this pop-up index JSX, like this. I think we can just do this. React DOM.create route. We won't use strict mode. And we won't use, we'll go test div. Let's see if this creates the pop-up here. No. Didn't. Damn it. Let's see if this test div is running. Test. No. Div ID. Append child div with ID test div. We'll add all of that to it. I didn't get any errors, that's why I'm also a bit confused. Oh, but now the gray thing isn't here at all. Oh, so it did add the test div. The size, it didn't add the styling to it though. Cyram says, I'm thinking of using Windows Hypervisor to create a WinIO VM for writing code and making a snapshot before I make changes to it. Do you think it'll work? I don't know. I have no experience with Hypervisor or WinIO VM, but it sounds cool. Sounds like a really cool project. I'd definitely be interested in checking it out. Okay, so we have test div, but none of the styles are applied. Oh, I guess it didn't. None of the styles are applied, and pop-up is not. Did we import pop-up? Oh, we didn't even import pop-up. Why isn't it giving errors is also something I want to know. What if I comment this out? Will it go back to how it was? Yes, okay. So there probably was some error with... Oh, here we go. Cannot read properties of null reading. Let's clear all and uncomment this. Will we get new errors if I open this up? Come on, give me some errors here. No errors? What? Weird. Yeah, I guess I don't really know how to use... Is this because it's a JS file? Let me Google. Oh, actually, let's ask ChatGPT. Let me make this smaller because it's so annoying. Can I... Why is it still so big? Whatever. Can I use React DOM.create root inside of a Chrome extension content script index.js? See what it says. Here's what you need to consider for content scripts. Make sure React, yep. Create element, append. That's literally exactly what I did except for the strict mode. Maybe we need strict mode? Okay, let's re-add strict mode. Maybe that'll give me some errors. In this example, Remember, when you inject your app, you're essentially creating a separate React app. You won't be aware of any other React apps. Okay, I think that's okay. Still nothing, no errors either. Do I need to reload this? Also, this width looks like it hasn't been updated either. Max width 500. What? I changed that to 100. Maybe there's an error in here. Oh, here we go. Failed to parse some source for import analysis because the content contains invalid JS. Make sure you're using JSX. Alright, let's try rename this to JSX. Wonder if that will change anything. Looks about the same. Let's reload everything. Failed to load content script JS, index.js. Does that file exist? Content script. Okay, let's actually revert this, and maybe we can give this to give the issue to here. Give the issue to ChatGPT. Let's see what it says. My content script is titled index.js. Rename your file to index.jsx. Configure your build tool to handle JSX. Alright, I might give up on this. Let's just do we'll just go back to using normal JavaScript. Okay. Okay, we got a small little thing here. That's fine. We won't worry about styling that just yet. What I do want to focus on is executing the plan on the background file. Is this a background file? Oh, yeah. Wait, what? Send prompt to planner background JS. Okay. Yes. So in the content script, we don't want to execute the plan here. We want to send a message similar to how we sent it from here. Alright, this is where I might use my Copilot to try help me write this code. So I'm gonna open up the Copilot in here. Yo, Zipajopo, what's up? I'll be like, send a request. This is a, I'll be like, you are in a Chrome extension content script. Send a message with the request variable to the background script. Let's see if we can do that. What am I building? I'm building Clickolas Cage, the AI agent that automates Chrome browser goals, I guess. This is part 3. I think you've been around for the previous stream, Zipper. We're making progress. Oh, I forgot to write edit. Whoops, stop. So with this Chrome extension, every time you want it to actually do something, you have to go /edit, and then it actually writes the code, as you can see. Allegedly. And Chrome runtime send message request response. Okay, that wasn't perfect. So that's kind of similar to here. Chrome, no, that's Chrome tabs. Chrome runtime send message. We'll log the response. Background received request. All right, let's see if we can log that. Let's see if we get the request in here. Test. Get on line 57. Yo, Karim Ali. Hey bro, there's an IDE called Cursor. Yeah, I've used Cursor. It's great. Yeah, it's awesome. I just have, like, the only reason I'm not using it is because it doesn't support Vim on Windows, or I haven't gotten my Vim to work with Cursor on Windows for some reason. Maybe if I spent a little bit more time, I could get it to work. But yeah, it was definitely really awesome on my MacBook. I tried it and it was great. What is this? Received message test. Okay, so, oh wait, background. Where does background get running? Oh, here. Okay. I'm sorry, there's been an error. Background. Request test. Hold the phone. Don't send that. Where? Why am I not getting? Okay, good. They're all commented out. I don't know why I didn't get background received message. Let's see. Let's try this again. Is this going to be a new one? No. That's fine. We'll move this here. Test, submit. Hello, thinking. From pop-up and send prompt to planner. Where is that? Wait a sec, that's not helpers.js. Looks like we have multiple in tab. Whoa, we do not want this. No. Why? What? No. No. We do not want this. Okay. That shouldn't have been here. Why are we still getting this? What file is this? Background. Oh, cool. Wait, why is... No. Wait, what? No, we gotta rebuild this. This is weird. Super says, where do you prefer your user base? I always catch you on YouTube but end up moving to Twitch due to much lower latency. Yeah. But you're restreaming on TikTok as well. Yeah, I mean, whatever you prefer. I think ideally I'm trying to grow my YouTube, I guess. I don't know. Honestly, it doesn't matter too much. Like, I get all the messages no matter what you're on, and I agree. It does seem like YouTube has a bit of latency compared to Twitch, and even I'm on Kick as well. From my experience, Kick has the least latency, but I don't know. Yo, Jumbly, what am I testing today? I'm building my Chrome extension Clickolas cage, which will help me automate Chrome activity, hopefully, but we're just, you know, as always, debugging a lot, seeing why I'm getting these messages here. Where is this? Helpers. Okay, this is, I feel like this code does not exist anymore. It's like my background JS is not being built. I don't know if I need to go yarn build again or reload the package or what's up. Yeah, let's try that, I guess. Reload. Oh, we have errors here? What's this? Extension context invalidated. Wait, we'll clear all. Reload. No complaints yet. No complaining yet. Oh, we got that WebSocket. Okay. Okay, that's better. No, is it? Not really, because now the content script isn't loading at all. Do we have any errors here? Yes. Same WebSocket error. Jumbly says, what does the extension do? Well, at the moment it's not very good, but I'll give you a demo of, I don't know if you saw my HyperWrite video, but I'm pretty much trying to replicate this, but open source. So HyperWrite, you can go like, comment on the latest video. You can type anything here that you could do in Chrome and it would do it, like, from TikToker tech friend. Replying to the video description, and it should like automate your browser. Let's have a look. See, it's made a plan. Navigate to TikTok, find the latest video from tech friend, read the video description, and provide a comment.
Fuck the ATO, I'ma claim it back on the tax. Yeah, the stony shit's essential, I can't rap without that. And all these agents and these labels focus on what you lack, and then replace it with some bum getting paid to do jack. Fuck around and find out, I ain't backing it, lad. I'm independent, paying all the overhead off my back. We're working from the ground up, trying to double a stack until I got a forklift dragging in pallets of cash. I wanna get stupid rich, lobsters, sushi shit, trying to go from Subi whips to slightly better Subi whip. Double reach movie shit, smoking on a doobie like if you don't know me now, pretend you never knew me.
There we go, finally. Yep, so now it's on my page. See, I'm not clicking anything. It's submitted the search for tech friend.
Running this thing called Alpaca Turbo. As you might be able to tell, this looks awfully familiar. They've tried to make a UI very similar to ChatGPT, but the cool thing about this is you can load these model files that you have locally on your machine. I have this Vicuna 13 billion 4-bit revision 1 model, and I'll show you guys how to download these models. Go to huggingface.co. This website is
this. Impressed by your tech knowledge was the comment. It's typing the comment in the box, posting the comment, and that's it. So I can pause that, and you can see here, it just posted this comment, impressed by your tech knowledge. So it's me talking to me, but you know, hopefully it gives you the idea of what I'm trying to build. So I'm going to quit that. And yeah, I'm trying to make an open source version of this. This one is a paid tool by HyperWrite. It's a great tool. Ours will probably be a lot shitter, at least initially. But then hopefully, if people help me build it, we can make it better. I don't know, maybe. Definitely potential. But right now it doesn't work at all, so so we have a long way to go. It was working better before. Whoa, now, see, it keeps reverting back to this older code. I have no idea how this happens. No idea at all. Like, this code does not exist. This thinking is in helpers.js. Like, okay, let me just rename this. Thinking about it. Now this should like automatically build a new version. We'll even reload the package here, but it doesn't seem to work. See, it's still doing the old console log thinking, which is no bueno. Just gonna npm run build again. I don't know. Getting desperate. Jumbly says, what is the design? Okay, yeah, so we're using a Chrome extension. Oh. VM does not work with Node 18. Alright. Let's use nvm use, which ones did it say? Wait, what? Suppose the following versions 14, 6, do we have 16.13? Let's try 16.13.2. Yeah, so we're using a Chrome extension. There's three like main parts of this Chrome extension. There's a content script, a background script, and the pop-up. So the pop-up is what you see when we click it. It's this spinning head thing. I guess it stopped because we're building it. And the content script is a script that runs on every page. Every tab you have open, the content script will run. And then there's a background script which runs in the back, and it keeps the context throughout multiple tabs and sessions. So the plan is to have the plan kept on the background script, the content script to execute every step of the plan, and the pop-up just to take the initial prompt is the idea. But yeah, running into issues as always. Let's see what the issue is, hopefully. Okay. That's better, I guess. So we're getting the background script is running. We're getting hello from the pop-up. We are getting the content script running, but we're not getting the message to the content script for some reason, whereas it should say received message. So I don't know why that is. Let's have a look at pop-up. Is that sending the message correctly? Chrome, tabs, send message. We'll have another log here. I'd expect that to refresh, but it didn't. Test. Okay. 67 in. No, where is that? Oh no, it did receive the message. Test. Great. It received the message in the content script. Received message. And we got the thinking. Perfect. The Chrome runtime send message is the issue because I guess it's not getting the message to the background script. Oh no. No, it's just. So I keep having the same issue. The background script is cached with an older version. I don't know why. Chrome extension background script cached with older version. What is going on? Always cached. How do I avoid this? Have you used options reload control R reload link here? 2012. I'm so confused. Maybe I'm running like a wrong... No, that can't be right either. Let's look at the manifest. Manifest JSON background script src backgrounds index. Yep. src background index. Definitely this. It's definitely that simple. Sometimes when you console log help sad face, it feels sorry for you. Please. No, see, I'm not even getting the help sad face. How do I refresh this, dude? No help sad face. Why? 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 Alright, maybe we're gonna remove the extension and re-add it. This is definitely the right folder. Okay. Now let's have a look. Do we get the sad face? Okay, we got the sad face. Great. Some caching issue. Test submitted here. Hello. Send message in the pop-up, but the content script wasn't loaded. We refreshed that. Okay, now we have the content script. Excellent. Oh, background receive request. Excellent. Okay, so now it's working. We just had to reload the extension. Super annoying, but I'm just happy that it works. Like, let's not complain too much. Okay, background receive request. Okay, now here we send the prompt to the planner, and that will make the plan, hopefully. All right, let's just test that quickly. Let's see if the prompt goes to the planner. Background received object. I'm not sure where. I guess it's actually should send prompt.request.request. request.request. No, request.prompt. And then we'll just return the prompt just so we can log it out. Okay. Gonna pin that. Inspect. Test. Receive request in background. Oh no, that's right. Receive request in background, but send prompt to planner is not defined. Oh yeah, I didn't import it. Of course. Okay. Let's try again. Cool. It was a promise, but we can just await that. No, within async. And now we should have an error. What's the error? Service worker registration failed. What? What? Is there a problem with the async? Is that a thing? Whoa, looks like there is. Can you not have async in an add listener? Let me Google that. Wait, what? Oh, wait, what? It just works now? Okay, I don't know. I don't know why it didn't work and then work. Test. Background message received. Helpers thinking about it. But undefined was response. Oh my god, it's request prompt. That is weird. Request dot prompt. Request dot prompt. We could probably send that a bit easier. Cyram says, has anyone tried to use text compression? Do you think we can use this for code as well? Save a lot of tokens. Like how? What? It depends what method of compression you're talking about, like vectorization or how else. Definitely could be used. There's just some compression methods that aren't lossless, so you might lose a bit of data, and for something like coding, you kind of need everything to be exact, so it might not work there. Civexploits, yo, what's up? What AI are we testing today? We're building this Chrome extension that, given a goal, will execute onto it. That is the plan. It's been some slow progress, but progress nonetheless. We're gonna see, how are we sending this message? Request, received message. How is it received? Receive message prompt. So actually we should do request.prompt. Maybe we'll do prompt. And then in the background we'll go request.prompt. Hopefully that'll work. Let's see if everything gets logged out correctly. Test that. Nice. Okay, perfect. Cyram says I can't share links. It's in the live chat. Yeah, I think YouTube doesn't let you share links with you can either try Twitch or send it on my Discord. I'll just open up my Discord now. If you want to send through a link, the link of my Discord should be in the description, I think. Okay. So that's good. Now let's get an actual plan back. So in the helper, instead of just returning the prompt, we're gonna, this is the prompt I have for the plan. You're an expert web browsing AI. These are the things you have. And yeah, send back the plan. So yeah, we'll just refresh this, and I'm gonna write a test plan here. Let's just say I have this one. Add I'm just writing it in this other screen. Okay, so this is the thing I have. Add an event in my calendar, Friday 12 p.m. titled work. I'm gonna just make it Google Calendar, and then we should. Actually, did we not save this? Oh, we didn't save it. So now we should actually get a plan returned in the console for now, but I don't know if that refreshed. It looks like it might have. So yeah, let's see. So it's thinking about it. So it's going to send the message off to GPT-4, and boom, this is the plan we have. I don't know. Yeah, okay. Ask user, please provide your Google username and password to log into the account. It's going to sign in. So we don't actually want that. We could change it to change the prompt to assume I'm logged in. Anyway, actually that's not a big issue now. We will, now I'm going to move on to the next step of actually seeing of actually executing these tasks. So you can see they all come in these like function code names, which I've specifically told it to use here. And then once we get these background plans, I want to see if we can make a variable called current plan, initialize it to null, and then we'll go current plan equals the thing, and then we'll just log the current plan, and we will remove it logging from here. Okay, we'll remove that. Okay. Well, that's a content script. Okay, so that's the plan, and now we will send. We need, so in the content script, I have this execute plan method, which I think I will change it to execute task, execute action, and then change action like that. Remove this for loop, remove that, and then we probably need to remove another thing there. Okay, cool. And then based on the action, it should perform it. Now we need a way. Okay, so we need to split the plan. We need to send a message back to the content script, and we'll just copy this Chrome tabs query active. So we can make a method in the helper functions here, hopefully. We'll call it send message to content script, and we can just copy this. Send message to content script, prompt, like that. Ahmed Mahdi, hello, how are you doing? Thank you for commenting. What am I developing? This is going to be an autonomous Chrome extension that can do tasks, like any task. Like the first use case I'm doing it is just to add an event in my calendar. Given like a text prompt, it can like click buttons and enter text and stuff. I'm doing very well, thank you. Okay, so we got this gist from Ramsai. GPT-4 text compression. I just read this trick for text compression in order to save tokens. It's useful to give a mapping between common words in a given long text that one intends to pass later. Then pass that long text to GPT-4 but encoded with such mapping. Okay, that's cool. The idea is the encoded version contains less tokens than the original text. There are several algorithms to identify frequent tokens. Very cool. Okay, let's have a look at an example. Compress the following in a way that you can reach. Oh, I've seen this. This method is not always accurate though. But I don't know if they do more methods. But that's still cool. Ahmed says, it's good. First time I saw someone deving browser extension. Oh, cool. Yeah, I mean, I didn't have much experience before I started this, but I'm learning a lot for sure. There's one concept you have to know about browser extensions is content scripts, background scripts, and yeah, these two things. So a content script is the script that runs on every single tab you have open in Chrome, and a background script runs in the back and like kind of keeps the context. So you can't really do everything on the content script because every time you reload the page or open a new page, that script gets run again. So you kind of keep the long-term memory in the background script, and we're using the content script to like execute actions. That's the plan anyway, but we'll see how we go with it. So we just made this helper function, send message to content script. I'm just gonna add a console log here so I can log everything. It says the backend work on the device itself. Yeah, there's no servers or anything, although I am using GPT-4 as the kind of brains. So if I do this, will it import it? Perfect. Send message to content script, prompt ref dot current dot value. So now I'm using this helper function here, hopefully, and let's see if that still works. Just gonna write test here. Receive message test, send message to CS test. Perfect. Okay, so that works. We've sent the message to the content script using the helper function. Now we receive the plan, and we want to split the plan. Let's just execute the first task here. So we'll be like current plan dot split by backwards n. Is that how we do it? I think we need 2. And then we can send message to content script with we'll just go cons current task. Current task. Oh, actually we need multiple. So we actually need like a type here. So we're gonna go type action here with the prompt current task, and then but in here we will go type goal with the prompt here. I'll remove that. Jubilee says validate plan text, split task into array, execute task. Probably need a task class and type. Yeah, that would be good. I'm not using TypeScript though, but that would probably be smart. Okay, so I made some changes and looks like I've broken stuff. Is that right? Have I broken stuff? Nope, it's fixed. Magically fixed. Great, that's good to hear. Let's copy this Google Calendar task again. Okay. Oh, Ahmed says, what is JSX? Sorry, I didn't see your messages here. So JSX is the file extension for React JavaScript. We've also asked, that means if I inject a bad payload, will it work on the victim device? If you inject a bad, this is all running locally, so whatever you inject will work just on your device. Oh, so this is a weird format. We're getting inconsistent formats every time, which isn't great. Step 1, step 2. Okay, so we didn't split this greatly. Let me run some tests here. Can we just do that? Oh. Okay, so maybe I didn't need 2 backslashes. And what was the other issue? Oh, damn it, I shouldn't have refreshed. Type action. Okay. Type goal prompt ref. Yes. Okay, so in the content script we need to understand if request.type equals goal, we will do what we were always doing. Else if request.type equals action, we will execute action request.prompt. Let's try that. Yo, Box by Nick, what's up? Good to see you. We're working on Clickolas Cage. You look a bit tired, not gonna lie. Yeah, I have been feeling a bit burnt out recently, unfortunately. But, you know, the grind must go on. We will continue grinding. Also, I've been streaming for over an hour now, so that also takes its toll. But I'm not giving up till we at least execute one action. At least one action. We're so close to. We're so close to executing an action. Excellent. Nav URL calendar. This is a good plan. Nav URL calendar. Can you guys? Where did I change my? Oh, it doesn't matter. Oh, I can make this bigger. Excellent. Send message to this. Oh, it's split. I should send the first action here. Wait, what's the cannot read undefined properties of undefined reading ID in here? Tabs.id. Send message to content script. Tab 0.id. Really? It has an issue sending the second message to the content script for some reason. I should probably do this. I don't know why that is. Let's try that again. Ahmed says, is it harder than web dev? Do you need backend? No, I don't think it's harder. You don't need a backend, but it's just the same as web dev. So for any situation where you'd need a backend in the web dev, you'd probably need one here. Yo, thanks for the 5 roses. I'm gonna assume this is Nick. They've made their username the blank Unicode, so we can't tell for sure. It's interesting because I can't even. Oh, I couldn't even click it anyway. Never mind. Send message. Oh, so the send message. Sure. Here are detail. Didn't get the same error. Okay, let's try this one more time. Thinking about it. Okay, yes, we did get that same error. Why does it keep sending the whole array? Did I not save this? Oh, I guess I didn't. I don't know why tabs is undefined. We need to debug that. I don't know why that happens from the background script. Okay, so tabs is one active tab. Now it's thinking about this thing. Jumbly says, how does it know which tab to execute on? Yeah, great question. So what this code should do, tabs.query, active true, current window is true, is query for the current active tab. That's what it should do. But it seems like it doesn't work every time. See, here it's empty. There's no active tab. Oh, even though here, so on the first call it works, but then it doesn't work. Maybe we should make a new tab. Let's have a how can I use chrome.tabs in JS to target the same tab repeatedly? Let's see if Google has an answer for that. Query for the tab, tabs.query, yep, we're using that. Create a tab and keep its ID. Okay. Tabs.create URL. Ooh. Maybe we should be doing that. Probably should be doing that. Update my tab. Tabs the update. Tab ID. Tabs dot send message. Okay. Okay, so interesting. Should we create it? How do we create it? At what point do we create it? We want to create it at the goal point. So we're gonna make a new thing here called tab ID. Tab ID, no. I just realized that from the pop-up we should probably be calling the background script. So here I'm gonna make a new method here called send message to background script, and copy that. Copy runtime send message. Prompt. And yeah, and instead of this send message to background script, we'll do that. And here it's gonna always be action now. Okay, so send message to background script with the goal. So when this comes here, if it's if request.type equals goal, we will execute the first step of the plan. Okay. Yeah, let's just do that, right? Action. Yeah. First step of the plan. We actually also need to let current. We'll go target tab. Target tab equals null. We need to set this target tab somehow. If the first action equals URL, here, this is how we're going to do it. If current task, we'll do it similar to this. How did they do it here? Keywords, regex matches, action matches, current task matches. If action name is nav URL, and then we're gonna create this Chrome tab with the action params. I really shouldn't be repeating this code here. Don't repeat this code here from content script, but I'm too lazy to do it now. I just want to see if this works. Action param 0. So this should actually take the URL and then target tab equals tab.id. Okay, good. Otherwise we'll send I'm also curious is how does the content script know which tab to run on? Is it just the active one, I guess? We'll figure that out later. And then current task equals current plan. This is getting really messy, but that's fine. We're just making little bits of progress and then we'll come clean it up later. Okay, so pretty much what I've done is like if the first task is a nav URL, we'll open a new tab and navigate to the URL. Hopefully. Let's see what happens. Do we get an error? Oh, I don't even know if we're now we've made so many changes that it's actually hard to see what could be breaking it. So did the background? No. The message port closed before a response was received. That's no good. Send message to background script. Okay, so we definitely tried to send a message, but the message port was closed before trying to send a message to background script from pop-up Chrome extension but received. Help me out, ChatGPT. Ensure the background script is active. If you're using event pages, persistent false, ensure that the event page is registered. Check the message listener in the background script. Make sure that the background script has Chrome runtime on message. It sure does. returning true for asynchronous response. If the response is not sent immediately, make sure to return true from the event listener. Oh. What? Return true? No. Check the pop-up script. Make sure that the message is being sent correctly from the pop-up script and that it's properly structured. I don't know. Still got the same thing. Yes. What if I directly call this from within the pop-up? Oh, no, that shouldn't be the issue. It still hasn't reloaded. Why not? Oh, okay. Receive request in background. Okay, so that worked. It could have been. Could be because of this. That could be the issue. Let's see. Okay, I think that worked. Let me just refresh everything. Yes, okay, great. No. Wait, what? Received, background, add event, thinking about it. So it did receive the background. It sent it to the planner. Planner said it's thinking about it. That sent thinking about it. We never got the. We get the plan, but then action is undefined. In here. That's because it's actually current task. Okay, progress. This is good. It's very messy, but that's okay. We will clean it up next session. I just want to get one action working. Excellent, that's a plan. Navigate, navurl google.com. Still action is undefined. Did I not reload properly? I guess not. It says some issues reloading. I don't know why. Alright. Come on. Come on. Nice. No. Okay, different error. Cannot read properties of null in matches. Why would it... It should match navurl. Oh, because of that. Here's something we could do. issue was that the action was this line here. Sure, here is the step-by-step plan. And there was no action here. So, yeah, okay, so we're gonna just, here's the thing, we're gonna filter anything that starts with action. Ooh, list of filter. I think I'm gonna make a helper method called get next action in this helper file. Export const get next action. Given a plan, it's gonna pretty much do this. Return action name. If action name, return action name. Else get next action. Plan step. Current step plus 1. And then current step. We will start with, okay, the first step. So pretty much this will go and get the next action depending on where we're up to. So now we can just go action, wait, const action name equals current, no, get next action current plan, and we'll just start with step 0. Perfect. And now we could reuse this in the other file as well, and I can remove that comment. Makes it a whole lot cleaner. Oh, but we need action params as well, so we actually need to return it like this. And then I think we can go const action name. Can we do this action params? Yeah. Yeah. Sick. I think that'll work. Let's give it a go. Just gonna refresh this for good sake. What is this error? What is? Oh, we have some Vite error. Do we? What? Dude, what? Okay, no. It was just recompiling, I guess. I guess we gotta like give it a little bit of time to rebuild every time. Okay, thinking about it, should have probably logged stuff out, because if it gets an error now, I won't really know what it was. Reference error, current plan is not defined in get next actions. Current plan. Okay, this is actually just plan. Let it rebuild. Rebuild, damn it. I don't know how to tell if it's rebuilt or not. Oh, there we go. So that refresh. No, still. Oh, it's because I didn't clear it. Okay. We'll try again. Do. So slow. Is it even thinking? Oh, there we go. Excellent. Ask user, please. Okay. Current task is not defined. If current task. Oh, is it in the... Huh? Oh no, this was in here. Current task. If current... Oh. Oh. Do... Oh, but the Chrome... Did the Chrome create work? No. Oh, because I guess... Okay. If current task. Let current task. Wait, what's action name? That's not what we should be replying with, should it? Get next action. Action name. Oh. Action name. We also need the whole action, which is current task. So we're gonna actually current task. Current task. Okay. And I do want to log this so I can confirm that it works. Okay. I'm feeling confident about this one. I feel like this time we will get something nice working. Let's have a look. Damn. Cannot read properties null reading 0. Matches 0. Well, if it doesn't have matches, where is that? Matches, could we do that? No. If matches, I guess we'll do action name matches 0. Okay. Please work. Yes! It made a new tab. Let's go. It didn't work perfectly. I don't know why it appends that. Why did it append it? Do we still have the console log? No, we don't. But we got the new tab. Oh, here, we got the console log here. Excellent. Object nav URL. Where? Wait, what? Okay, yes. Action nav URL, action params, Google Calendar. Oh, because it's in too many quotes. Actions URL. Okay, that's fine. And then we got an error assignment to const variable. Okay. Make this let, and we're gonna remove the replace all just replace all the quotes. That's good though. I'm really happy that we actually got something. We're making progress. Jumbly says filter. Oh, I already saw that message. My bad. Oh, did I miss anything else? Box by Nick says looks good. Thanks, Nick. Progress. 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 Okay, let's see. Hopefully this time it opens up the right. Oh, cannot read properties of undefined reading split. Current task dot split. Ooh. Okay, so here we need to wait, what happens if we split? Wait, what? Current task dot split. So it tried to current task plan dot split. This is the plan. Why would it have an issue splitting this? I don't know why that. I don't know what went wrong here. Reading properties of undefined reading split. Why was that undefined? Current task was undefined because splitting at 0. I'm just gonna add some logs. Console.log plan current step, and then I'm also gonna do a try catch E. I don't know, for some reason it gets an issue here. We will just try to run the next step. Let's see. Almost there, yes. Should be done in a couple minutes, yes. We're so close. And I do really feel like taking a break. I've been almost deving for 2 hours. Yo, Iconics! What am I trying to build today? I'm trying to build this Chrome extension that can automate Chrome activities. So I've asked it, make an event in my Google Calendar, and it's going to ping GPT-4 to make a plan, and then use this JavaScript that I made to actually interact with the browser. That is the plan. We are getting some issues. Looks like I didn't update my changes. I'm gonna make sure that we've loaded everything correctly. I think we have this time. Run it again. Have I tried AutoGen? Yeah, I have. It's pretty cool. But I still don't think it's as good as I would want it to be. Okay. Action, ask user. Send message to CS, ask user. Okay, cool. So that was, let's just run that again. We had to ask user action, which I haven't really programmed or tested this. I'm just trying to get the nav URL to work. Oh, perfect. Look, it navigated to Google Calendar. Yes. That's it. That's perfect. That's the first step, the first milestone. We did it. I'm really happy with that. Let's commit this code. Commit all this code that we made. I should have probably read over it, but we can clean up later. Execute initial nav URL. Commit that. If you guys want to check out this code, build on it yourself, or just clone it and try it out, you can see it on my GitHub. I think I've put it in the description on YouTube as well. But yeah, it's just github.com/aj47/Clickolas I've updated the README as well. It should be pretty simple to get started if you've worked with like React or any other JavaScript framework before. I think I'm gonna take a little break. I might come back to do more stuff like this, but while I'm taking the break, I'm going to set up Hyperwrite to do something cool. Nick says, can I run it one more time? Yeah, sure. Sure. Here. I said, add an event in my Google Calendar. So it only just does the first task right now. It just navigates to the URL. If that's step 1 of the plan, it'll successfully open a new tab with the right URL. Oh, it opened it in a different window, but because I think I had the other window open, but do we still have the console open? No. Well, we can get it to open anything. So we can be like, open up Google Sheets URL. That should work too, I reckon. Boom, see? Google Sheets. How cool is that? I didn't do anything. We could even be like, open up Pornhub, but I'll probably get banned. So I'll be like, open up TikTok URL. Look, no hands. Do it. Oh, maybe this time it didn't work. Docs.google.com says, please provide TikTok URL. What? I don't know what happened there. That's so weird. But yeah, you can see. Nick says, can you open up Never Gonna Give You Up by Rick Astley? I don't think this will work. Isn't it Rick Astley? I'll type Rick Ashley, but I don't think that's his actual name. Let's see. Cyram says, let's take a break for now. Yes, I will take a break. Iconic says, is there any cool tool where I can connect GitHub? So it opened YouTube to search for Rick Astley, but I've only got it to do the first step. Where I can connect GitHub and system finds issues in GitHub to Insta? What do you mean to Insta? There's... Jumbly says, what framework is this? I use React a little bit, but it's mostly vanilla JavaScript. Finds the issue in GitHub to install. I'm not sure what you mean. What do you mean by issue to install? This might be what you mean. Sweep.dev can actually automatically submit pull requests based on GitHub issues for like code changes. I'm not sure if that's what you mean, but sweep.dev is awesome. Anyway, while I take a break, I'm going to get Hyperwrite to do something for me. I'm going to be like, find tech friend streaming on YouTube, Twitch, and kick.com. Type into the chat. Type a random sentence into the chat every 10 seconds. Let's say every 5 seconds. On each platform. Let's see if we can do this. While it does that, I'm gonna set this be right back text. Let me change it up. Make it smaller. Be right back. Yeah, we'll see if this bot can automatically do stuff. It's kind of doing it already. Look, check that out. It's going to Google, going to YouTube. Okay, I'll be back, guys. Thank you. Yeah, Sweep's paid. There's another alternative. Iconics is CodeBuddy. That one's free for now, but it doesn't work through GitHub. It's like its own app. But yeah, check that one out. I'll be back in like 5 minutes or so. Looks like it only did kick.com. Let's do some other stuff. Bro. Yes, you can. How do we sort this? Oh, here. No. There's no way to sort this, hey. There we go. Why is it asking me a question? Oh, it says I suggest we analyze the text. The fuck? Okay, do YouTube. No, bro. Stop. Alright, let's try this one. I swear this has gotten worse. Oh no, here we go. It's actually doing something.
तो अगर तुम एक वीडियो क्रिएटर हो और तुम्हें नहीं पता कि यूट्यूबर के लिए बेस्ट एआई टूल्स कौन से हैं, तो ये वीडियो तुम्हारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाली है, क्योंकि मैंने लगभग 50 से भी ज़्यादा एआई टूल को पर्सनली ओपन किया और उनमें से 10 बेस्ट एआई टूल्स को निकाला जो यूट्यूबर के काम को आसान कर देंगे। इन 10 में से 5वां और 7वां एकदम न्यू है एंड आखिरी वाला मैं पर्सनली बहुत यूज़ करता हूँ, इसको बिल्कुल स्किप मत करना। ये सारे टूल फ्री टू यूज़ हैं एंड मोबाइल और लैपटॉप दोनों में यूज़ हो सकते हैं। स्टार्टिंग विद टूल नंबर 1, इमेज कैंडी। सो हर क्रिएटर को
Did it write that?
read the comment?
तो अगर तुम एक वीडियो क्रिएटर हो और तुम्हें नहीं पता कि यूट्यूबर के लिए बेस्ट एआई टूल्स कौन से हैं, तो ये वीडियो तुम्हारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाली है, क्योंकि मैंने लगभग 50 से भी ज़्यादा एआई टूल को पर्सनली ओपन किया और उनमें से 10 बेस्ट एआई टूल्स को निकाला जो यूट्यूबर के काम को आसान कर देंगे। इन 10 में से 5वां और 7वां एकदम न्यू है एंड आखिरी वाला मैं पर्सनली बहुत यूज़ करता हूँ। इसको बिल्कुल
What's and SP? Oh, sort by. Okay. Go to this. There. Go through each video result one by one. Come up with a comment replying to the topic of the video and submit it before moving on to the next video. For each video. Alright.
बिल्कुल स्किप मत करना। ये सारे टूल फ्री टू यूज हैं एंड मोबाइल और लैपटॉप दोनों में यूज हो सकते हैं। स्टार्टिंग विद टूल नंबर 1, इमेज कैंडी। सो हर क्रिएटर को थंबनेल बना बिल्कुल स्किप मत करना, बिल्कुल स्किप मत करना। ये सारे टूल फ्री टू यूज हैं एंड मोबाइल और
better.
Solves anything. Chat GPT. Writes anything. Writes Sonic. Generates art. Midjourney. Generates code. Replit. Generates video. Synthesia.
Oh, shit, I have a call in 20 minutes.
Ready to supercharge your search engine results page data scraping. Let's get started with these nifty AI tools. First off, head over to spyku.com, type in a keyword you're interested in. Next, make your way to the SERP analysis tab. Here, you'll get a search engine results page for that keyword, complete with the top ranking websites. Now, let's put the power of Browse AI tool to work. It's like your trusty sidekick in the world of web scraping. If you need a
Oh, sorry, I guess you guys were listening to all that YouTube shit. That would have been annoying. All these messages. At least that worked. That was cool. Oh, we got 10 followers on Kick now. That's cool. Okay. Okay, any more comments on TikTok? Yes. Nice to see the agent projects evolving, but basically it's just tree of thoughts. At least in your example. Yeah, sure. Okay, Clickolas Cage. Let's go. Oh, okay, so actually we should not use that. We should also return the current step. We'll let current step equal 0. And, yep. Here we'll return current step as well. Okay. So last time we got this first action, the nav URL, and then after that we will send a message to a content script. So this should, oh, we need to target tab equals tab ID. This is interesting. There is the case where it won't nav to a URL. It should definitely always start with, we should change this prompt to say always start with nav URL. Hopefully it will do that. Okay. We set the target tab, content script. Okay. Here, target tab. Okay. Content script. So we receive the message in the content script. I'm gonna remove this since we don't really use it. Iconic says, use my GitHub project you may use to fix. What? Check latest AI generated AI X review. What is this? What are you saying? If you guys want me to check links, post them in either Discord or, oh, you did? Oh, this was the prompting one that Ramsai posted. Thanks, we already checked that one. Okay, execute action, request prompt. We also do request target tab. What is it called? Yes. Target tab. Actually, I don't even know how that makes sense because do these run on every tab? I have no idea. Let's see what happens. So this is gonna get the first thing, run it. Run that. How do we get it to loop? That's the next question. Iconic says it finds AI tools and passes the tools, connects and manages AI library for some reason not working. Oh, that's cool. You want me to search for that? If it's not working, I don't want to spend time debugging something else. I already got all this stuff to debug myself. I couldn't find it. Yeah, how do we loop this? Okay, so we get the plan. I guess we keep executing on the plan. After this, I guess we make another method here. Wait, what happened? We make another method here called loop on plan, I guess. And we will go, make sure I don't run over time here. 5 more minutes. We will go 4. Const step of current plan. That is current plan dot split. That is actually get next action current plan. We actually need something in this helper when there is no next action. We'll be like, how does this happen here? If current step is greater than plan dot split dot length, return -1, right? Got next, or null. What do we return here when there's no next action? I guess null is good. While get next action current plan current step does not equal null. Yes, there we go. While that doesn't equal null, we will send the message to the content script like so. Why is this in brackets? The fuck? That's weird. Okay. Yeah, something like that. We will test this out later. I'm running low on time. I have to attend a meeting soon, so just gonna thank everyone for joining. I hope you guys learned something or you're excited about this tool. We're making progress every time we work on it, and hopefully it'll be in a state where we can use it instead of hyperwrite soon. So sorry to the people at hyperwrite, but I don't know, I just wanted to make something, and I think the idea is awesome, but I'm sure if they're good, they'll keep improving their tool. I mean, at the moment it's better than us, so you know, if we keep going at this rate, they'll always be better than us. But that's up to me and the open source community to try develop this more than them. But yeah, thanks so much guys for watching, and I will see y'all next stream. Peace.